just like to ask a question that if you don't want development, then why are you asking for it? First of all, it's machine. Why are you expecting to machine to have emotion?
Even AI is just a new technology. It needs many improvement, but we are the species who are evaluating.
AI can be the one of the biggest enemy in the future.
Hi ring leaders. I hope you all are doing well. Guys, आज के सेशन में we are going to talk about AI and humans. Our main focus would be how AI is going to life of humans, how it is going to upgrade the thought process, how it's going to make our work easy at the same. Is our humanity is on stake, or what do you think? Our humanity is going to get down and our people are in danger. So I want you people to place your opinion one by one. So here we start.
Well, hello everyone. Now I am completely in the favor of AI. Why I am saying this? Because there are a lot of examples in this world who are the result of who are the result of AI development. When it's talk about how AI is improving the human life, there are multiple examples in our day-to-day life only. As our mind is a processor, which I consider, but I believe that it is not the only processor, because this processor has also developed that another which can think more faster than this one. So I believe that AI have some advanced and faster abilities to think and to give proper results. The best part is that our brain stops working when it get tired, but AI never get tired. So that's what I believe. Sorry Vivek, but I don't agree with your point. Sorry Vivek, but I don't agree with your point, because I think that humans are more capable and should take the lead of this world in future. Why? Because I directly want to go on a societal thoughts or societal level, that whenever we talk about society where we live and where we shape ourselves, then humans are the leading one, and AI, we cannot see AI in the society's decision making. The first is the moral judgment. Whenever there is a particular judge or even other things, the morality, we always talk about that humans, or it's true that humans are good or best than AI in this moral judgment kind of things. So I think that humans are the one who is going to take the lead of this world.
So as you mentioned about morality, so let me clear that corruption are also in the human only. So we are talking about human intelligence, and human intelligence is the result of artificial intelligence. Then why we are neglecting artificial intelligence? First of all, we have to understand that this is 21st century and we are just developing, and we want to beat other nations and want to developing nation to develop nation. Then we have to take all the strategies which are on the race. So artificial is on that particular point. So we have to understand today's need, and today's need is artificial intelligence, which was available 24/7 as Vivek mentioned, which is needed for high employment, accuracy and more creativity, where humans are actually lacking. And talking about morality, so if you are only talking morality, so we have other sides also. So let's take an example that how judgments are taking. So there might be a personal opinion, but if we are having artificial intelligence, it is neutral. So if it has fact, it will goes with that. If it don't have fact, it will don't go with emotions.
Sorry, but I don't agree with the point. You mentioned that artificial intelligence is more creative than human beings, but I don't believe that, because if you will ask one question to AI, so that will just give same answer but in different ways. But human beings are more creative and more imaginative than the AI, because there are a lot of examples of human beings, as we can see the novels, the movies, and according to the University of California, human beings are 70% more imaginative and creative than the AI, and human beings are 70% more imaginative and creative than an AI, and AI is just like a trend. As we know that whenever a trend starts, so it get at the peak, and after some time it get declined, as it happens with new trends. And right now AI is just like a trend, and it is right now at the peak, but after some time the trend will decline and everyone will forget AI, like the word really exists.
Okay, so you all are talking about the ground reality, but what about those wider coverage area that you haven't covered till now? What about those projects which had been implemented by NASA just to finding the another civilizations? In 1964, they found that those planets which are coming into the aligned, just to finding the real gravitational force of them. They launched 4 projects. Pioneer 10, Pioneer 11, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Voyager 1 is the furthest thing which has been made, which has created by the humanity only, and they even installed 54 languages for the new civilization if they found them, just to make them understand that we lived here and there is a gold plate even there. On the left side there's a human, there's a man, and on the left side, on the right side there's a woman, and still you are thinking that we all are just beating around the bushes about all those things which has been happening in India, but which has been happening in Earth. What about those things which covered by the AI outside of the Earth as well? Then I found that AI is the best thing which has been created by human beings only.
Okay, so I believe that human intelligence is better than the artificial intelligence, because I really don't want to believe the intelligence which is already artificial, and the human intelligence is better because it has the originality beyond data, because it doesn't provide the problem solving with limited data only. And can your AI give you empathy and give you the emotional relief? No. Whenever you will talk to AI, it won't be your friend. It won't be able to be your friend. It will give you sympathy, but it won't be able to give you empathy. So I just want to ask you one question. Can your AI give you make any art and music and write any literature without any pre-existing data?
We all know that AI is made by human beings. Human intelligence are limited, but AI is limitless. Now, why I'm saying this? Because see one thing. See, the AI apps like ChatGPT and Meta are there 24/7 to solve our queries. Am I right? Now, it also reduces a human workload, which is there on the human businesses and something other work, which reduces. Now see, big companies like Netflix, Google or some Amazon use AI for the personalized recommendation for the customers to come to the app and satisfy their needs automatically. That's why these companies are able to, reduce their marketing and at a high level. That's why I find that AI is more useful.
I am on the same page with her, so should I speak?
Anybody else? Yes, कुछ questions put on करो ना, कुछ questions put on करो जिससे कि लगे कि भाई थोड़ा challenging है. थोड़ा सा ऐसे ही आपको लेके कुछ ऐसा बोलो कि development नहीं चाहिए क्या? सेम humanity के चक्कर में development की बात करोगे तुमने. Yes, we are.
Humans has got more intelligent than AI, but still they are preparing for any debate by using ChatGPT. Strange, but reality. And when we look after the reality, then you people might say that AI is decreasing jobs, it is affecting employment rate of India. But let me present you the data that according to 2021 World Economic Forum, in US only, the rate of employment in AI sector has been increased by 119% from 2015 to 2020. And even jobs like data scientist, web developer are in high demand after the implementation of this AI in this modern era. And I would just like to ask a question, that if you don't want development, then why are you asking for it? You don't want even development, and whenever you are getting, then you are presenting flaws about it. And the biggest advantage of AI is that it has got its own disadvantages, means it has got more areas to improve about. That's what I wanted.
So So basically you all are asking about that why, if we want development, then why we are neglecting AI. We want development but not the exploitation of human intelligence. You all are questioning upon the human intelligence. Let me tell you that will just demoralize your AI point. That what about that mind which is 3000 BC to 500 BCE older, the mind, subconscious mind. What is this? Can your AI will able to compete with it? If you sleep, there are a lot of things which come in your mind, and that is not from since you born to your living, but it is older than it. Your AI will be in the present. Your AI must be working in present area, not in past. Basically, whatever you are just putting in that particular AI
that particular amount it will work, it will show its efficiency and effectiveness. But when it's about human intelligence, that also includes subconscious mind, that is the biggest powerhouse of your body and your mind.
So as Arshiti's mentioned that books, we can learn many things from the books but not by artificial intelligence, but you have to go through completely 10 books, then you come up with one conclusion. Then you are asking Kanishka that it will not create empathy. First of all, it's machine. Why are you expecting to machine to have emotion? Humans are having the emotions, so human will have the emotions with his child, wife and families. Why will it have the emotions with the AI? AI is for the workplace, AI is for the creativity, AI is for the great data, and you are asking about the pre-existing data. It works upon algorithm. So AI having a pre-existing data, that's why it is working. After that, ma'am, you mentioned that human mind is some BC before, but let me know you, whale is older than 20 million. So shall we give the credit that the whale is the best species in the world? No, we are giving it to human because human having the sharp mind. Now artificial intelligence having the sharp tool, then we are giving credit to the artificial intelligence. So your points are here, I think needed more AI search, so you will get the correct points.
Okay, so we don't even want machine, or we don't even want machine with emotions. But if that machine is going to be participate with humans in the society, we want it to understand some basic ethics. Why? Because just take an example of a driverless car going to have an accident and people are going to lose their lives. So are you still want that machine should not have emotions or some ethics? Okay, so means if a machine is going to come or evolve in a regular life, so it should have some basic ethics, which I think that AI is not having right now, because AI is just very new technology. We are not openly, or we are not we are not having much knowledge about AI. So how we can rely on them that they are going to take over our future? Even AI is just a new technology. It needs many improvement, but we are the species who are evaluating like for many thousands of years. That's why we have got brain. That's why we are able to make AI. Even would like to say, Priya, that maybe AI don't go with those maybe they are more creative than human beings. But I would say that who made AI? The human intelligence only. Who is running this world till now? Human intelligence only. And we want development. But if development is the cost of the environment, we don't want it.
Your AI is helping in development, solving queries, solving problems. But if you see about the ratios where 14% of the people are losing their job by the AI. If human are giving the potential to the AI to do something, but so why human are getting replaced by AI? This is the main aspect where let us talk on a main aspect where a security guard is changing or getting replaced by an AI security system. Why that innocent person who is earning for his family for the daily wages on in a monthly wages, why that person is getting removed from his job? This your AI is doing. So this is the point in my mind that I want to share.
Okay, so I do believe humans are the better than AI. From here I got one point that AI can do the creative things than the humans. This point is totally wrong, or it is a fact too, that humans have the creative mind than the AI do. Humans can do the creative things than AI, because AI do not have the a kind of critical thinking and the creativity in their mind, but humans have the critical thinking and the creativity in our mind also. And if I talk about the emotional intelligence, so from here she said we don't need AI for emotional intelligence. No, AI is a second human we can see, or AI should have the emotional intelligence as we people are carrying in our brain, in ourselves. We people can attract by someone, we people can share our opinion or even a kind of emotional towards our friend and family. This thing can should be in the AI too. And if I talk about the fact that AI made by the John McAtee, but the Elon Musk has a big hand on the AI because he made the Tesla car, and he said this thing also because he said this thing that AI can be the one of the biggest enemy in the future. Do you know, whenever we make the new technology, along with that we create a weapon for killing ourselves also. Let's say example of weapons only, guns, which can kill us. Same goes with the AI too.
Okay, as my fellow mate mentioned, that because of AI, we are losing our jobs, right? Now, who were the one who made the AI? Of course, human being. And if AI has started working, then human beings have a problem with AI, that why it is developing that was that we need to lose our job. People who are, getting the degree of engineer, I found is that it is a wastage, because in the future, we don't want any engineer, we have AI. We just want a person that how to use AI. AI is not like just a normal tool. We need to, AI is very hard to understand, which is a very right thing, because not anyone can understand AI. To make a robots, to make any new technology, we need AI. Before AI, we need to understand that what is AI. You guys are only pointing out that creativity is artificial intelligence and nothing more. But before that, we need to understand what exactly the AI is. Then only we can conclude it.
Okay, so there was an AI influencer named Sophia. When one question asked to her that will AI intelligence will replace human intelligence, so she answered very effectively that AI intelligence is here to appreciate and praise human intelligence, not to compete with it. So basically the topic or the discussion which is going on, it is totally baseless, means it is bias.
We had discussion over a topic, AI versus human, and that's completely that's very common thing कि भाई AI आएगा, so we are going to learn so many things, but at the same, if you're gonna recognize that, it's going to impact the humanity too. But humanity impact होगी, उसके साथ साथ डेवलपमेंट भी ज़रूरी है. बट इफ़ वी आर गोइंग टू डेवलप AI इन सच अ ब्यूटीफुल वे कि AI ह्यूमैनिटी को भी डेवलप करे. जब AI टेक्नोलॉजी को डेवलप कर सकती है, AI एजुकेशन को डेवलप कर सकता है, तो AI अगर मोरल वैल्यूज में भी लगाया जाए, जैसे लाइक आई वुड लाइक टू गिव सम एग्जांपल्स. जैसे हमारे कुछ पेजेस हैं यूट्यूब पे जो कि वो क्या करते हैं, दे डिलीवर स्पीच on the behalf of moral, on the behalf of humanity. है AI, बट वो मोरलिटी पे भी काम किया जा रहा है. तो AI को हम एज अ मोरल भी यूज कर सकते हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि AI के बाद से ह्यूमैनिटी पूरी तरीके से खत्म हो जाएगी, बट ये जरूर है कि वी पीपल आर गोइंग टू बी और वी आर गोइंग टू टर्न इनटू अ स्लेव इफ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी एक्टिव. अगर हम खुद से, इंसान अपनी अवेयरनेस नहीं रखेगा, इंसान अपनी कॉन्शियसनेस पूरी तरीके से खो देगा, दैट पर्टिकुलरली गोइंग टू फॉलो AI ब्लाइंडली, तो दैट पर्सन कैन बी अ स्लेव. कोई भी इंसान स्लेव बन सकता है. अगर आप में से कोई भी इंसान यहाँ जो बैठा हुआ है डोंट वांट टू बी द स्लेव एंड डोंट वांट टू बी द पार्ट ऑफ दैट क्राउड और दैट मोब, यू सिंपली नीड टू बी अवेयर कि आप क्या कर रहे हैं, क्यों कर रहे हैं, किस लिए कर रहे हैं. AI का यूज करें, करियर बेटर करें, दैट्स फाइन, बट एट द सेम अपनी खुद की सोशल डेवलपमेंट के लिए, मेंटल डेवलपमेंट के लिए, इमोशनल डेवलपमेंट के लिए कुछ ना कुछ रेगुलर पढ़ें, देखें, सुने, और that would definitely help you reaching out to the best out of you.